Claude Code Opus is live. You can now use Anthropic's most powerful model directly in your coding environment. But using it wrong will cost you a fortune. There's a hidden power user tip when it comes to setting this up. How can we build a detailed cost estimator and monitor usage in real time? We'll integrate that tracking into a small function, so you'll see in real time what your spend is. Okay, let's build a simple cost estimator and usage tracker. This is going to be a lightweight Python script that integrates with the Claude API. You'll need your API key, which you can find in your Anthropic account settings. Now, install the Anthropic Python library, pip install Anthropic. Then, in your script, you'll track each API request and add up the token count. Opus is billed per million tokens. Here's the key. Anthropic's API returns token usage with each request. You just need to capture that value. Next, create a simple function that calculates the cost based on the current Opus pricing. Finally, display this information in a dashboard, or even just print it to the console. I suggest using a library like Streamlit for a quick dashboard. This gives you real-time visibility into your Opus spend. Don't rely on checking your Anthropic account. Bring the data to you. Remember, there are code repos with complete examples available on GitHub. I'll drop a link in the description. Think about this. You can integrate this cost tracking into your CI/CD pipeline. Imagine every code commit automatically triggering a cost estimate for the Opus-generated code. This way, you can catch potential overspending before it becomes a problem. A little foresight saves you thousands of dollars that would otherwise bleed into your cloud provider. Viewers are potentially hesitant to use the new Claude Code features with Opus, or might be racking up charges unexpectedly while trying to integrate it into their workflows. The video will focus on the financial implications and cost optimization strategies specifically for Opus and Claude Code, providing practical advice on how to control costs while maximizing the utility of the model. Viewers will understand exactly how to enable, purchase, and track usage of Opus within Claude Code, and then be able to effectively use it to speed up projects and improve outcomes. So, let's close those open loops. First, why does enabling Opus and Claude Code require a separate purchase? Because Anthropic is positioning it as a premium, high-performance offering specifically tailored for code generation. It's intended for professional use cases, where the increased cost is justified by the increased efficiency and code quality. Next, what coding tasks does Opus and Claude Code excel at? Complex algorithm design, code optimization, and bug fixing. Any task where raw processing power and nuanced understanding of code structures are critical. Finally, how do we build a detailed cost estimator and monitor usage in real time? By integrating the Anthropic API with a simple Python script that tracks token usage and calculates the cost. This gives you the control you need. Your one thing to do today, in the next hour, is to go to the Anthropic website and generate an API key for Claude Code. Then, explore one of the many open-source cost tracking repos on GitHub. Get one of those API keys integrated into the cost estimator. Run the script, see your usage. That's step one. There is one more feature in this release I have not shown you yet. The one that makes fine-tuning your Claude Code models 10 times faster. That drops Friday. Your profile will show it.